Welcome back to another KS Racing video. In today's video, we'll go through how to use the mechanical switches on one of our KS10.0 systems. So with our 10.0 systems, we've actually incorporated the mechanical switch inside the manifold. So to get to the switches, you will need these three following pieces from the kit. Firstly, remove the Bluetooth USB dongle just like that. On the top, press and pull out the main power cable to disconnect that. And then grab your Allen key, loosen these two top bolts off, and then you can literally slide that up and off. And then on the side, you've got two more bolts here on either side of the control unit. Now you'll just need to use your little torque screw inside the kit as well. Loosen those off. Once you have removed the two bolts on either side, literally gently, you could lift this lid off. Just be careful of the ribbon cables inside as well as the power cable. Lightly let it dangle. Now you have access to the manual switch buttons. And one more piece of the puzzle, you will just need to get this cable that we had showed you earlier. Now you plug in the cable as shown like that. Be gentle with it, and then the other side at the top here. Once you have everything connected, it's pretty much ready to go. It does look very complicated in here, but it's very simple. On top of these buttons, these silver buttons, you've got 8 of them there. On the top there's labeling FL plus, which means front left lift, FR plus, front right lift, FR minus, which is dropping the front right, FL minus, same thing, front left drop. Then you get to this right hand side section, that's for the rear. So R left means rear left hand side plus, rear right plus, rear right minus, which is dropping air. And then tuck behind this ribbon cable, so gently just slide that to the side, you've got your rear left minus. Literally to use it, just press on the buttons. That's the drop, to drop. Same things as with the back. Press on the buttons, drop and drop and drop. Once you've lifted the car or got the car to the desired height that you require, simply just unplug this top cable there. Then you can lift this screen back up and gently place it back into position. When you're doing it, just make sure none of the cables get caught. They all have slight folds in them, which is okay. So just gently put it back in position, and then you can close this lid for now, and then you can leave everything disconnected until you get the problem resolved.